Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn sheet protection. How to protect our sheet. Let's begin. In review tab, one option is that protect sheet. Click on this and create password. Then OK. Again confirm password. Then OK. Our sheet is protected. We can't enter anything. Here also you can see one other option is this. First unprotect this sheet, and from here we can also protect our sheet. There is option protect sheet and create password, then OK. Again confirm password, then OK. Again we can see our sheet is protected. First unprotect this sheet, and now we want protect only this area where is our data, but remaining area we don't want to protect. How we can protect this? Let's start. First select all sheet, then cell format, and then uncheck this lockbox, then OK, and select this area and cell format and lock this area, then OK. Now go to protect sheet and create password, then OK, confirm password, then OK. Now only this area is protected, but remaining area is not protected. We can enter in remaining area, so that is sheet protection.